Hi and welcome to my channel. Today I have some footage using my Fifish V6 Expert underwater drone. I'm in Lake George, New York, which is a freshwater lake in a small bay, and just kind of taking a little tour around the area, getting used to the drone. This is my only second time using it. You'll see a little bit of garbage, unfortunately, at the bottom of the lake, so maybe next time I'll put the claw on and try to do some retrieval. As always, thank you for watching. I appreciate you stopping by. If you enjoy the video, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or comments, please share and I'll respond to you as quickly as I can. Thank you.